You can see work is ongoing. We are working assiduously hard to tidy up this estate so that investors can begin to enjoy returns on investments on what they have invested on. This is one of the best real estate investment deal here in Ketu-Epe. This estate is less than 2 minutes drive to the expressway, less than 2 minutes drive to the Ketu-Epe road, less than 2 minutes drive. And it is less than 4 minutes drive to the Grace Polytechnic, and less than 5 minutes drive to the Ketu-Epe roundabout, less than 5 minutes drive to the Ketu-Epe police station, the Ketu-Epe Government College, and the Africa's biggest food and logistic hub, and less than 10 minutes drive to the Ekwe Film City, and less than 15 minutes drive to the proposed Lekki International Airport. Good day, investors. We're super excited to be here today. As you all know, this is a channel where we bring you safe, secure, profitable real estate investments. We're here at the Comfort Estate in Ketu-Epe Road. So I'm here to give you developmental updates of what is happening here at the Comfort Estate here in Ketu-Epe. So a few weeks ago, the last video I did a few weeks ago was when we did physical land allocation, where we allocated our investors who keyed into this estate. And so I'm here to give you more updates. Today I'm giving you updates on developments. As you can see, our workers are on site. We have started the perimeter fencing. In fact, we want to finalize the perimeter fencing and the gatehouse. As you can see, work is currently ongoing here at the Comfort Estate. We ain't joking on development. We ain't joking on development. You can see work is ongoing. We are working assiduously hard to tidy up this estate so that investors can begin to enjoy returns on investments on what they have invested on. This is one of the best real estate investment deal here in Ketu-Epe. This estate is less than 2 minutes drive to the expressway, less than 2 minutes drive to the Ketu-Epe road, less than 2 minutes drive. And it is less than 4 minutes drive to the Grace Polytechnic, and less than 5 minutes drive to the Ketu-Epe roundabout, less than 5 minutes drive to the Ketu-Epe police station, the Ketu-Epe Government College, and the Africa's biggest food and logistic hub, and less than 10 minutes drive to the Ekwe Film City, and less than 15 minutes drive to the proposed Lekki International Airport. These are the investments you can buy and go to sleep with your two eyes closed. So like I said, I'm here to give you developmental updates of what is happening here at the Comfort Estate. So that estate you buy and you get that peace of mind, you get that comfort. So you can see developmental work is ongoing. We're trying to tidy up the perimeter fencing. As you can see, we have plastered this perimeter fencing. As soon as we're done with the plastering, we're going to do the painting. You understand? And also this is the gatehouse. As you can see, work is currently ongoing on the gatehouse. And then after that, we'll do the painting. So development is ongoing. Developmental work is ongoing. Allocation here at the Comfort Estate is instant. Once you buy, you get your plot instantly. We have tailored this estate into different square meters. We have 300 square meters available, and we have 500 square meters available. The land is completely dry. The land is completely dry, 100% dry land. The topography is 100. So this is an investment, like I said previously, that is capable of giving you over 200 to 300% returns on investment. You can see we have sand, we have granite. Work is going on. We are working hard assiduously to make sure we deliver on our promises. When you subscribe to this estate, you get a deed of assignment. That deed of assignment that shows transfer of ownership from the seller to you. You get a contract of sale with indemnity clause that guarantees this plot you are buying. You also get a registered survey, not provisional, registered survey that comes with a certificate of deposit, that comes with a red copy survey. You also get your letter of allocation, your payment receipt, and your acknowledgement letter. This is one of the best real estate investment deals here in Ketu-Epe. Registered survey and C of O in process. This is one of the best real estate investment deals. You can see the workers are working hard, assiduously hard, to make sure we deliver on our promises. We ain't joking on development here at the Comfort Estate. Like I said, so a few weeks ago, we did allocation. We did allocation here at the Comfort Estate. We did allocation. So we've done several batches of allocation. So give me a call so I can help you reserve a plot. plots or acres here at the Comfort Estate. This is one of the best real estate investment deal. Give me a call. If you snooze, you miss out. Offers don't last forever. Offers don't last forever. This is one of the most affordable real estate deal here in Ketu-Epe. With 3 million naira, you have a plot here at the Comfort Estate. This is one of the best real estate investment. You can see perimeter fencing ongoing, gatehouse ongoing. We'll finish up the painting and then start up the earthwork. We'll start up the road network within the estate. Once we're done with the perimeter fencing, we tidy up the painting, we start up with the road network within the estate. So give me a call so I can help you reserve a plot here at the Comfort Estate. An estate that you buy and go to sleep with your two eyes closed. An estate that is confirmable. I've done several videos on this estate where I was there with the developer. We were analyzing the official chart report for this estate. It shows that this estate is not zoned for forestry. It's not zoned for agriculture. It is zoned for both residential and commercial. So with this estate, you are good to go. With this estate, you are good to go. We have residential plots available. We have commercial plots available. We have also corner piece plots available here at the Comfort Estate. Developmental work ongoing. Developmental work ongoing. We ain't sleeping. If you snooze, you would miss out. Offers don't last forever. If you snooze, you will miss out. So I will expect your call. I will expect your call. Give me a call so that I can walk you through the process of securing your own plot here at the Comfort Estate. Give me a call. I will be expecting your call. Thank you.